I was diagnosed with breast cancer in September of 2003, and in my search for what I wanted to do, I went to probably the best oncologists that are available in the Miami area, which is where I'm from. I started getting very frustrated because as I approached them, it didn't seem to me that they had a whole approach to what my diagnosis was, and that they were just treating the cancer, and I had a lot more questions in terms of, let me see how I could explain this, in terms of where the cancer came from. And that's what I wanted to know so that I could fix that problem as opposed to just getting the tumor out. I set up an appointment to meet Dr. Buttar, to speak with him. And as I started speaking to him and he started elaborating into each of the therapies that he puts into his protocol and how he approaches cancer from a whole body perspective, he just blew my mind. He just blew my mind. And all I had to do was just speak to him and really get down to exactly how it was that we were going to basically attack this cancer and change the terrain in the body so that cancer could not live in my body. Well, the 3 tumors that I have, the largest one is almost gone. And I am so excited because I've only been here 6 weeks. And I think that's just extraordinary that in such a short period of time that I can come out and say that and feel phenomenal and not feel the after effects that chemotherapy or all the other conventional methods would have provided for me. I know what it feels like to be diagnosed with cancer, and I know the feelings of like helplessness that you feel, that you need to get it out quickly because it's going to overtake you and overpower you. So you need to get it out soon, and you need to kill the cancer. But that's not the answer. The answer comes from your body healing it so the cancer can't live in your body. And that's why I chose the alternative method, so that my body could be in balance and it could therefore get rid of the cancer and not be a symptom, which is what I found that all the doctors were treating, and not really the cause. There are other patients that in the past have received chemotherapy and radiation, and that just simply was not enough for them. And I see them here now, and day by day you see their improvement. So there's always, always, always a moment where you can change your mind and come and encompass this sort of approach to your healing that would be very beneficial to anybody that is considering making that decision, which is a very hard decision, but I think it's the right one. Every week there is an extensive tests that are done in terms of chemistry and blood work, and he tailor-mades the IV therapies and the protocol that you will receive, and he will change them on a weekly basis depending on what comes back from those blood tests. So he sits there and analyzes what it is exactly that you need to take you to make those shifts for your body so that you could feel better and better and that you could see those immediate results on a weekly basis. There is no doubt in my mind that I will not have cancer, and I am so thrilled to have had the opportunity to meet Dr. Buttar, and nobody in my family is going to die of heart disease or cancer. Well, it's been about 20 months that I've been receiving treatment from Dr. Buttar, and my progress has been just remarkable. I am an extremely healthy person. I feel younger. I feel more vibrant. Obviously, my cancer is gone. My cancer panel's come back superb. So I couldn't really possibly ask for anything else. I think the doctors can do a lot for you, but they can do everything they can, but if you don't have the faith and the spirit to overcome the circumstances, then there's not much that any doctor in the world can do.